How do you ensure the oily water separator is ready for operation, and what safety checks do you perform before starting? Andam bao oily water separator san sang van hanu the now, va an kiem tra, nhung gi truak, kikoi dong. Well, Chief, to ensure the OWS is ready, I follow SMS strictly, starting with permission from you, Chief, and checking the oil record book for scheduled runs, per Marpol Annex 1. I confirm with the officer on watch that we're outside special areas, ensuring legal discharge, per instruction book. I inspect the system voltage stable, air pressure for magnetic valves, safety valve no leaks, oil level probe working, three-way valve in position, overboard valve sealed, control panel signals okay, bilge pump direction correct, and check pressure gauges and thermometers, especially with heaters, per PMS for maintenance. Why this way? It prevents accidents, Chief, ensuring crew safety and environmental compliance, per ISM. A cool tip, remember, vast voltage air safety test all for pre-start checks. And hey, if you're looking for a ship, Crewvn is hiring. Contact Miss Thu at 0326806954 or Zalo 0904515857 for bulk carrier roles. Vang Mei Truong de Dambao OWS San Sang Toi Tuan Thu SMS Bat Dao Bang Xin Feban Mei Truong Va Kiem Tra Orbi de Zem Lich Che. Theo Marpol Annex. I, Toi Zak Nan Voi Ao Rang Tao Nguai Ku Vuk Dak Biet, Dam Bao Za Hop Fap, Theo Instruction Book. Toi Kiem Tra Hi Thong Dien Ap On Dien Ap Swat Kong Ki Cho Van Tu, Van and Toan Kong Ro, Proba Muk Dao Hoat Dong Van Banga Dung Vitrai, Van San Guai Niem Fong, Bang Dio Kien Tin Hiu Ok Bom Bilge Quai Dung Va Kiem Tra Dong Hoap Swat, Niet K Dak Biet Kiko Heater Theo PMS Vebao Tri, Tai Sao Lam Ve, Dain Gan Tai Nan Mei Truong Dam Bao and Tuan Kruva Tuan Thu Moi Truong Theo Ism, Meong Gao No Vast Voltage Air Safety Test All Cho Kiem Tra Trua Koi Dong Vanoni Crewvn Dang Tu Yen Lien He Miss Thu 0326806954 Host Zalo 09045 Mot Nam Tam Nam Bai De Team VX Tren Tao Hang Roy. Can you explain how to test the 15 ppm monitor, and why is this critical for PSC inspections? Anko the GI Vich Kach test Thiet Bimoi Lam ppm monitor Enu the now, Vatai Sao Du Ne Quan Trong Cho Kiem Tra PSC Kong? Sure, Chief, testing the 15 ppm monitor like our Bilgemon 488 is critical for PSC per Marpol Annex 1. First I turn on power, clean the sensor with fresh water 1 to 3 times to remove oil residues, ensuring accuracy per instruction book. Then I enter the setting mode, increase the limit from 15 ppm to 16 ppm, press test, and observe the red alarm light after 3 to 5 seconds, confirming it redirects to sludge tank, per SMS for safety. I reset to 15 ppm, clean again and log in ORB, noting time, position and result per PMS for maintenance. Why this way? It ensures the system stops discharge above 15 ppm, Chief, avoiding pollution, and PSC checks this, per ISM, for compliance. A pro tip, remember test. Turn on, ensure clean, simulate alarm, test log for testing. And for job opportunities, contact Crewvn at Zalo 09045155857 for bulk carrier roles, Chak Chan Roy, Mei Truong, Test Thiet Bimoi Lam ppm, Nu Bilgmon Bon Tam Tam Kwa Chung Ta, Rat Quan Trong Cho PSC, Theo Marpol Annex I, Dao Tien, Toi Batten Guan, Lam Sach Dao Do Bang, Nuokangot Mot Den Balanda Loai Bo Kandao, Dam Bao Chin Zak, Theo Instruction Book, Sao Do, Bao Che Do Kai Dat, Tang Jioi Han Tu Moi Lam ppm Len Moi Sao Pipam, Non Test, Vakwansat Den Bao Do Salba Den Nam Giai, Zak Nan Chuyen Ve Sludge Tank, Theo SMS Ve and Toan, Twai Reset Ve Mui Lam ppm, Lam Sach Lai, Vagi Log Vao Orb, Githoijian, Vitri, Vaketqua, Theo PMS Ve Bao Tri, Tai Sao Lam Ve, The Dam Bao Hi Thong Dung Sa Tren Mui Lam ppm, Mei Truong, Tran On Hiem, Va PSC Kiem Tra Diem Ne, Theo Ism Ve Tuan Thu, Mayo Pro No Test, Turn On, Ensure Clean, Simulate Alarm, Test Log Cho Test, Va De Tim Viek, Lien He Crewvn Quazalo 090 Bon Nam Mot Nam Tam Nam Bai Cho Tao Hang Roy. When is it allowed to discharge bilge water through the OWS, and what conditions must be met? Ki Nao Duok Pep Sa Nuok Bilge Qua OWS, Va Pai Dap Ung Nung Diu Kien Gi. Chief, discharging bilge water through OWS is allowed when the ship is en route, outside special areas like Baltic or Red Sea, and at least 12 nautical miles from land, per Marpol Annex 1, Regulation 15. The oil content must be 15 ppm or less, confirmed by the 15 ppm monitor, and the system must be working, per SMS for safety. I ensure logs in ORB, noting time, position and ppm per PMS for maintenance. Why this way? It prevents pollution, Chief, ensuring PSC compliance per ISM. A cool hack, remember Bondi Mati Dung Vitri Dung PPM Dung Han Trin Dung Thiet B Tuyet Doi Gi So for discharge. And for job opportunities, contact Crewvn at Zalo 09045155857 for bulk carrier roles. May Truong, Sanuak Bilge Kwa Aus Duok Pep Kitao Dang Han Trin, Ngoi Kuvuk Dak Viet Nu Baltic Hoak Biendo, Vakas Boet Nat Moi Hai Hai Li, Theo Marpol, Annex I, Regulation Moi Lam, Ham Luong Dao Pai No Han Hoak Bang Moi Lam PPM, Zak Nan Bang 15 PM Monitor, Bahi Thong Pai Hot Dong, Theo SMS V and Toan, Toi Dam Bao Gi Log Bao Orbi, Gi Toi Jen V Tri Va PPM, Theo PMS V Bao Tri, Tai Sao Lam Ve, Ngan Oniem, Mei Truong, Dam Bao Tuan Thu PSC, Theo SM, Meo Ngout No Bondi, Mati, Dung V Tri, Dung PPM, Dung Han Trin, Dung Thiet P, Tuyet Doi Gi So Chocha, Vada Tim Viek, Lien He Crewvn Quazalo 090 Bon Nam Mut Nam Tam Nam Bai Cho Tao Hang Roy. How do you handle a situation where the OWS or 15 ppm monitor fails, and what do you log for PSC inspections? Nayu OWS Hoch Thiet Bi Mui Lam, ppm monitor Bi Hong, An Shulin Hu the Now, Va An Gigi Cho Kiem Tre PSC. Sure, Chief. If the OWS or 15 ppm monitor fails, I stop overboard discharge immediately, lock the overboard valve, and redirect to sludge tank via the three-way valve, per Marpol Annex 1 for safety. I log the failure in the engine room logbook and ORB, using code C13 for equipment failure, noting time, position, and actions per SMS for compliance. I inform you, Chief and DPA, keeping bilge on board until repaired, tested, and relogged per PMS for maintenance. If needed, I discharge at a port reception facility with receipts per Marpol. Why this way? It prevents pollution, Chief, ensuring PSC readiness per ISM. A pro tip, remember Hong Kong EXA GI Enhan GU Lai for handling. And for job opportunities, contact Crewvn at Zalo Kong Chin Kong Bon Nam Mot Nam Tam Nam Bay for bulk carrier roles. Chak Chan Roy, Mei Truong, New OWS Hoak Mui Lam PPM Monitor Hong, Toi Dung San Guai Ngai, Kuavan Sa Va Chuyen Ve Sludge Tank Kuavan Banga, Theo Marpol Annex IV and Toan, Toigi Log Suko Vao Engine Room Logbook Va Orbi, Dung Masi Moi Ba Cho Hong Thiet Bi Gi Thoi Jian Vi Tri Va Handong, Theo SMS Ve Tuan Thu, Toi Bao An, Mei Truong Va DPA, Ju Bilja Tren Tau Den Kisua, Test Vagilai, Theo PMS Vibao Tree, Nokan, Satai Port Reception Facility, Kohuadan Theo Marpol, Tai Sao Lam Vai, Nagan Oniem Mei Truong Dambao Sansang PSC, Theo Isam, Meo Pro No Hong Kong Saginan Gulai Choshuli, Vadatim Viek Lien He Crewvn Quazalo Kong Chin Kong Bon Nam Mot Nam Tam Nam Bai Chotao Hang Roy. What are the key PSC inspection items for OWS and how do you ensure compliance during inspections? Nong Hang Mukiem Tra Chinqua PSC Cho OWS Lagiva Anlam, the Now de Dambao Tuan Thu Trong Kiem Tra. Chief PSC checks safety relief valve, three-way valve, water sample valve, 15 ppm monitor alarm test, spare coalescer filter or B entries, seals on bypass valves, control panel and piping layout per Marpol Annex 1. I ensure compliance by maintaining all per PMS testing alarms weekly, keeping spare filters logging ORB accurately, and ensuring no unauthorized connections, per SMS for safety. During inspections, I show test log certificates and demonstrate operation per ISM for readiness. Why this way? It avoids detention, Chief ensuring environmental compliance per Marpol. A cool hack, remember safe safety valve alarm test, follow rules, ensure logs for PSC prep, and for job opportunities contact Crewvn at Zalo Kong Chin Kong Bon Nam Mot Nam Tam Nam Bay for bulk carrier roles. Mei Truong PSC Kiem Tra Van Antoine Van Banga Van Lei Mau Nuok Test, Bao Dong Mui Lam PM Lok Coalescer Du Fongi Orbi Niem Fong Van Bypass Bang Dio Kien Va Bo Tri Duong Ong Theo Marpol Annex I Toi Dam Bao Tuan Thu Bang Kach Bao Tri Theo PMS Test Bao Dong Hang Tuan Giu Lok Du Fongi Orbi Chin Zak Va Kong Ko Ket Noi Tri Pep, Theo SMS Vien Toan, Trong Kiem Tra Toi Chosem Log Test Chung Nan Va Bu Dien Van Han, Theo Isam Ve San Sang, Tai Sao Lam Ve, Tron Biju Tao, Mei Truong Dam Bao Tuan Thu Moi Truong Theo Marpol, Mei Onangao No Safe Safety Valve Alarm Test follow rules ensure logs Cho Chuan Bi PSC, Vada Tim Viech Lien He Crewvn Quazalo Kong Chin Kong Bon Nam Mot Nam Tam Nam Bai Cho Tao Hang Roy.